So hello guys, right, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you today. We're here to learn that, which is a pizza toss. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. Right, so guys, you're here to learn this awesome, basically rebounding into a toss. It's called a pizza toss. So we're going to go into the move right now. So first of all, what you really need to do, you need to get in hang of catching the nunchuck like this, okay? This catch is going to be very much key to getting the move, because there's only one difference between this and the actual pizza toss. So without the nunchucks, what I'm doing, okay, is I'm throwing this off into a horizontal aerial. When it hits here and it's on its way down, I'm going to move my hand in this motion here, okay? So I turn this hand so it's facing there, and then it's going to be facing me, okay, like so. So I'll show you now from this angle. So I throw it off into this a horizontal aerial, and I come in and I swoop it like this. So I'm going to show you the whole move in slow motion. Right guys, so next of all we're going to learn this full pizza toss. The secret is very simple. Us as humans, we tend to overthink things a hell of a lot, okay? So when we're coming in, when this is coming down, so instead of actually just letting this raise, what I want you to do is I want you to turn your hand and raise like so. So you're going to turn and raise, yeah. This raising motion here is going to cause this rebound into the air. I say it is an advanced move because it's a very awkward walking, really weird feeling. So guys, I'm going to show you this in slow motion right about now. So, I hope this tutorial helped you out. I hope it helped you learn the pizza toss. If it helped you in any way, please feel free to subscribe, leave us a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Please feel free to like and share this video if you've learned something from this. So remember to share it on all social media. Yeah! So yeah, I'll see you next time guys.